The Motorola Edge 80 Pro represents Motorola's push into true flagship-level territory in 2026, combining premium hardware and a refined design into a smartphone that can compete with other top-tier Android devices. It sports a large 6.8-inch POLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, delivering vivid visuals that shine whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and fast UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring blistering performance for multitasking, demanding apps, and advanced AI features. Photography is a highlight too, with a versatile triple camera system anchored by high-resolution sensors and optical zoom, capable of detailed photos and sharp 4K video, while a 50MP front camera handles selfies and video calls with clarity. Its 6,500 mAh battery with 120W fast charging and wireless charging support keeps the device powered all day, and modern essentials like 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint security, and IP68 water resistance round out a well-balanced and compelling flagship package that shows Motorola's serious intent in the high end of the smartphone market.